apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you would.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Sunday and I am trying to be as productive as possible today. I have not been feeling good and I feel like honestly today I woke up and was not good either, but I have mustered up the energy because I need to feed my family and myself, and we've been eating out a lot recently. I was like, I am not eating out again. I am making a chicken noodle soup because I just feel like it's been a little bit gloomy here. It just sounds really good. I know I make soups literally all the time, but it's just what I like to eat, I guess. So I'm gonna make this soup. I need to clean a little bit, and I also got stuff to make chocolate chip cookies. Even though I haven't been feeling good, my stomach, like I know you guys have, I've talked to you guys so much about my gut issues, but my stomach has just been so good recently. I don't know if I'm in a remission or what, but I'm able to eat like so many things that I usually can't, like a little bit of chocolate. So I'm gonna put some chocolate chips in there. I'm just taking advantage of this time. I don't know what it is, what's going on. I just wanna enjoy food again. So we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna try to see if Elena will make them with me. Elena actually just went with Omar to the park because I told Omar that like I need some time to film this video and like get some stuff done. I do not know how moms entertain their kids and get house stuff done. Like, how do you do that? There's only so much like Mickey Mouse and Miss Rachel that she can watch before I start feeling guilty. Like, I don't want her to just be watching TV all day while I do all of that. Thankfully, Omar took her outside. It feels really nice. It's like in the 60s today. It's been super rainy here recently and like gloomy, like I said. I wish I was with her, but she's got to be able to eat something when she gets home. So, and she loves soup, honestly. I thought I would also update you guys because I have not vlogged since we were in Asheville. I haven't vlogged since I've gotten home. Basically, like I said, I haven't been feeling good, and we've been traveling. Well, we traveled a little bit after Asheville as well. We went to LA. We went there for an Amazon event, which was it was such a fun experience. They actually asked me to speak on a panel, which was why I went. This was like my first time public speaking like that. I feel like, maybe I did like a little panel for Modanisa, like back in the day when I went to one of their modest fashion shows. Jessica Alba was on stage right before me, and I was literally so nervous. I did a panel with Shea Whitney and then a few other creators, but I just like have followed Shea Whitney for so long, so I was fangirling so hard. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers. It was just so cool, and actually, like, even though I literally couldn't sleep the night before, I was so nervous. I actually don't think I did too bad. I mean, I watched it back and I could tell my voice was like a little bit shaky, but I think I sounded as natural as I possibly could with just how nervous I usually get with public speaking. But honestly, it just takes practice and I just never do it. And you'd think, like, I talk to a camera every day, but it's different whenever you can see your audience. Like, it was an audience of 300 people, which compared to like my social media and whatever is nothing, but that's a lot of people when you see them like in real life. Ooh, Elena just had her 3rd swimming lesson. I thought I would update you guys. This should have been like her 5th or something, but since we were traveling, we missed a couple of her sessions. And you guys, it's still not any better. Like, honestly, I think it's worse than the first day because now she has such a negative association with the pool and like going to the swim class. She's scared to death. As soon as I put the swimsuit on her, she literally starts crying and getting nervous, and it breaks my heart, but I know I'm just doing what's best for her. It is actually, I had some questions about the class. It is a rescue. They teach you like all the survival skills. That's why they basically just start out throwing you in the water, because they're trying to teach you like different ways to float and whatnot. I'm not in the class with her, so I didn't really get to see much of like the actual moves and stuff that they're teaching her. But I don't know, like, it's just, I know there's no way that she's learning anything because she's crying the whole time. And like, she's just so fear-struck that she can't even listen to the directions. In the bathtub at home, I'll tell her like, kick your legs, and she goes, kick, 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 and she's like, this is so much fun, and then she's kicking in the water. But in the class, they tell her to kick her legs, and she's just screaming, and there's no leg kicking. So I just don't know if it's gonna take more time. I talked to the teacher, and she suggested private lessons. I'm like, is that necessary, or do I just need to keep going? I do not know. But regardless, this girl has got to learn how to swim because we have a pool at our house, and it's gonna keep me up at night if she doesn't know how to swim. Oh, I didn't get to talk to you guys about Thanksgiving. It's literally been so long since I vlogged. I was planning on vlogging Thanksgiving as well, but that was one of like the worst days for me. I've had like a stomach thing. Even Amanda also had a stomach thing too. I don't know if we both got the same thing. On Thanksgiving, Amanda and Muhammad came down. I was assuming that none of us were really gonna be spending time together on Thanksgiving because originally the plan was for Amanda and Muhammad to stay in San Antonio. My parents were even thinking about going to visit them in San Antonio. Lauren is not in town either. So anyways, it was a nice surprise when Amanda and Muhammad decided to come down here. And the only one that was missing was Lauren, which we missed her very much. It still was kind of like old times, except we missed Lauren. It's actually so nice now that we all have spouses, because then like all of our, like Omar has guys to talk to. I mean, there's always Naeem, but it's just like fun when there's like a bunch of guys that they can all hang out with too. That's why it was fun in Asheville, because like we all got to like hang out, all of us sisters and then all of our spouses, and like they get along really well too. We always talk about how it'd be so much fun eventually to like go on couples trips and stuff. And I start thinking like realistically, and I'm like, I just do not like traveling without Elena unless I have to, like for work.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
She went to the park with her dad because I needed to get this done.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my refuge. Be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, I have a little stack of PR that's been collecting for the past couple of weeks, and I thought we'd open it up together. I need to like break down all these boxes. I have a few more boxes in front of my front door that I need to break down. That is one of the little annoyances, but also like a perk of the job is all the boxes, because obviously I'm so grateful to all the brands who send me things to try out for you guys, but sometimes it's a lot of waste. Definitely recycle all of my cardboard and everything. Also, I've never done PR unboxings with you guys, and so I hope that this does not rub anyone the wrong way. Like, I have never really done them just because I never want to seem like I'm bragging or anything, but I like watching PR unboxings from other people, so I thought I would just add it in since it was on my to-do list for the day. This first one is by the brand called Tubby Todd, which is a baby brand. They do body wash and shampoo, bubble bath. This is the Sweet Jasmine and Clove bubble bath scent. It must be just like one of their holiday scents. Ellen sent over some of their best sellers and my favorite cleansing balm, dynamic resurfacing pads, and the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and the Superfood Facial Oil. I feel like I haven't tried these in a while, but I definitely use this like almost every single day. Paula's Choice sent over their gentle range or their calm range. I love their exfoliant. It looks like they have a calm version of that one as well. So I'm assuming this is for sensitive skin. This was actually one of my Black Friday orders. I ordered a few of my favorite True & Co bras. I just needed like some fresh ones. These are my favorite. They're so comfortable. Tatcha sent over some goodies for me to try, along with a handwritten note, which is always like the sweetest touch. This is one of my favorite lip masks ever. This is the Kissu Lip Mask by Tatcha. It's like a jelly formula and it's so nice. And then they sent over their rice polish, the rice wash, Violet C Radiant Mask, and the Dewy Skin Cream, which I'm pretty sure I have tried the Dewy Skin Cream in the past and I love that moisturizer. Okay, the last one is from Tarte. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That's so pretty. Tarte sent over a bunch of their holiday sets for this year and it's so cute. They sent over a bunch of like holiday gift wrapping for me to like package up for friends and family, which that is so cute and thoughtful. Also, you guys, the lighting and the coloring on my vlog camera, I hate it. I don't know what is wrong, but I feel like my vlog camera has just gone like downhill so bad. I actually just ordered another vlog camera to see if I can just make it better because it's really bothering me. This is the Shimmering Lights Cheek palette from Tarte. That is beautiful. And this gift set has like some of their best-selling mascaras. Ooh, so pretty. So as you can see, lots of recycling. I need to break all this down. Usually what I'll do when I do PR unboxing is I will sort through and pick everything that I want to keep and try, and then I have a little stash of stuff that I donate or give to friends and family. I'm gonna go ahead and sort through the products and then break down all the boxes. Later, I think I talked to you guys about making cookies, and I actually made these like a few days back, but I've been saving the dough and just kind of like making them fresh whenever we want homemade cookies this week, and it's been so good. This recipe is literally to die for, so I'll link it down below. I found it on Pinterest. The only thing I messed up on is I didn't add enough chocolate chips, so I brought my little helper. I was gonna see if she was gonna help me. What we're gonna do, Elena, is we're gonna add the chocolate chips to the cookies like this, okay, baby? So I want you to take a chocolate chip and you're gonna put it on top of the cookie like that. Baby, we're gonna put it on the cookie, Mommy. Can you put it on the cookie? See?
This is gonna work.
Lena, you're so funny. We take a chocolate chip
and push it.
Push it into the cookie like that. Can you do it?
You do it, Bubba. Your turn.
Take a chocolate chip, push it into the cookie.
Yeah.
Okay. These chocolate chips are actually really good. You put it on the cookie. Take it, put it on the cookie. We got them out of the oven. The trick is, so I cooked these for 13 minutes. The trick is you want to get them out before they look like they're done. Like, I like to make sure that they're still like pretty soft, and then as they cool, they harden a little bit, and then they're still chewy. That is the secret. I don't like my cookies very crispy. I like them soft and chewy, so.
Those look good.
I know, I'm so excited. I'm gonna let the cookies cool, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys for coming along on my productive Sunday and cookies with Lele. And I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Baba.
Bye bye, Habibti.
Baba.
Yeah.